Greetings one and all, my name is Lancer and welcome back once again to My Hero Academia Season 7. We'll be watching episode 11 today, and last time on, it was a fire episode, to say the least. Endeavor proving once again that he is truly the #1 hero, the flame of hope, as he seemingly defeated All For One. But of course, him being All For One, he has other quirks up his sleeve. Meanwhile, Bakugo and the gang is taking on Shigaraki, Bakugo having his arm broken. How do we stop these tyrannical villains? Well, let's get right into the episode. Yep. He just wants Deku. Bro's on Do Not Disturb. That's my kid. Yeah, it's seen better days. The big three. Light fades to the rain. I mean, you guys were the big three. Times have changed. Oof. Yeah, they go way back. Don't tell him that. Just using him as a shield. Ooh. Fill him with poison or something. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Just spits it back out. Oof. Yeah. UA's #1. Yeah. It feels like so long ago that he lost his quirk, and then, I mean, it really was only 2 seasons, but... Yeah, the organization. Ooh, combine the quirks. The power of friendship smash. Ah, shit. What's he really crying for? He's watching his movements. Huh. Oh my god, his fucking eye. He'll start exploding himself from the inside. Friends. In my dreams. A little bit of Tenko is coming back out. Yuki Hayashi, man. What a composer. Shimura. Tenko Shimura. Just walking away? He'll do it. Look at that, man. Holy shit. Can't do anything with his pants. No shit. Flashbacks. Hado was always of the big three. Hado was, it's kind of like that in the story anyway, where she was kind of the lesser of the big three. I mean, of the big three, I feel like she definitely was the third, you know, it went Lemillion, Tamaki, and then her. Especially like coming off like the overhaul arc and everything, like that gave, I mean, obviously Lemillion and Tamaki gave them the best time to shine. Hado, she's never really had those moments. I mean, in the war arc kind of, when she fought Dabi, but she kind of got burnt and then that was it. And of course during like the festival, she had like her dance and all that, but you know, we never really spent much time with her. Yeah, there's always someone who takes it the wrong way. He was the one who reached out. That's so cool. And just like that, a ship sailed. Wait a minute, why is the Todoroki theme playing right now? I just realized. The energy of love. Dragon fruit. Oh my lord, it's an Elden Ring boss right there. He just ate everything in the world right before this fight. Sun Eater. You're strong. Chimera Cannon. I feel like Chimera Cannon would have been a better name, but still cool. Oh god. It's not that simple though. I mean, it wasn't simple. That was fucking sick, but yeah. That's the comparison. How does he still have that fucking cape, man? Oh, yes. I love this song. Go Beyond. Oh, dude, the animation and art in this episode, some of the best. Izuku. Cluster. I can hear the Ultra Instinct theme. Bum, bum. He sees through his moves. Yep. His whole body. Damn, fight us now, Midoriya. He's caught up, he gets it. Oh, I love it. Compared him to second. Like the vestige, all my, oh my god. Oh fuck this show, man. This is gonna hit so hard when I watch this in the dub, but it's hitting hard now. The maxed out JoJo stats. He still had it on him. Oh no. Bad day for rain. Light fades the rain. Our storm. Didn't think we'd get to that this episode. Well, that was episode 11 of season 7 of My Hero Academia. Well, Bakugo's dead. I mean, by all accounts, he is. Obviously, there's more to it, but in this moment, yeah, he's dead. Back-to-back seasons where Bakugo's had a moment on death's door, though in this case, it's open. Dude, that whole sequence was... This is the first time this show's made me tear up in a while. I mean, I had moments last season, definitely, but I don't know why I said it in the midst of it, but again, when it comes to My Hero, I honestly prefer the English dub of it, but obviously I watched it subbed because, you know, the sub's more ahead. I mean, the sub is still really good. I watched it through the dub when I first watched this. I view the characters with those voices more than the Japanese, but so when I hear Clifford Chafin saying these lines, I'm actually gonna probably cry even more. Just that whole thing like, oh, I wanted your autograph. I don't know if it's more of a metaphor that the card is there. I'm pretty sure it's the case where he had it on him just this whole time. I liked that there though, of him making the comparison to the second One For All holder, because I mean, they literally kind of share a design, you know, with like the hair and the eyes. It's like, why does he remind me of him? It's interesting how these episodes have been structured. It's not really a whole episode about one character. It's like the first half of this episode was really focused on the big three, Lemillion, Tamaki, and Snejire, which that was a phenomenal sequence, like really giving like a balance between the three of them. Giving a little more Nejire backstory, which we never really got before, but then obviously coming back to Tamaki and his whole story, how Lemillion has inspired him, and then Lemillion being inspired by them as well. I would have liked to seen some Night-Eye though there with Lemillion, just like maybe a quick flash of him doing his freaking Chimera Cannon. That move just being called Plasma Cannon. Canonically, I'm changing it to being called Chimera Cannon because I think that makes more sense and also sounds cooler. But you know, this fight's kind of full of moments like that though, where everyone has like a moment, deliver this big finishing move, and they just shrug it off because that's where we're at this point. But it's still cool because it's kind of like, you know, a final send-off to a lot of these characters, them having these big moments, because again, we are in the end game. But just like that fluid animation and the art change when Bakugo just flew in, it's like, yeah, using the explosions, it increases his speed. And I just love him just calling Midoriya Izuku now. Deku's always called Bakugo Kachan. It's like, is he gonna call him Izu-chan? Yeah, that really got me. It's just like Bakugo, he's such a good character, man. Like, I have a soft spot for those characters that go on like that redemption story, you know, Endeavor, Vegeta, Zuko, and just those moments where they just give it their all and they think of the person that inspired them to get this moment. Of course, he thinks of All Might, but of course, he also thinks of Deku as well. And I loved him seeing like the vestige All Might, which is interesting. Shit, but now what? He literally gave his life. I mean, that shot there at the end of him just like with the blood in the card, I mean, that's an iconic shot, even though the manga chapter's not that old. Oh, that looked so beautiful. I'm very tempted, obviously, to make that the thumbnail shot, but I won't for spoilers. Again, having this back to back, you know, we had Endeavor, the current #1 hero, just going in a blaze. I mean, he didn't die, but then we have Bakugo, the future #1 hero. I love even Aizawa saying like he's gonna graduate and go on to be the #1 hero. It's like he believes in his goal. What a good culmination of story and action this episode was, and it's only gonna keep going because Deku's still on the way. But either way, this is my reaction to episode 11 of season 7 of My Hero Academia. Join me next week for episode 12. Plus everything else will be coming out soon. So until next time, I'm Lancer. Thanks for watching.